I've been giving this a lot of thought. And has anybody noticed the weather in the United States? How Minnesota and Wisconsin have been kind of like in this bubble, and how the energy flow has been pushing down past us? It's almost as if the Earth's energy, which normally releases through the poles like this, is actually coming out through the lake system, and it's forcing the currents of energy to flow below it because the water's got so much energy coming off of it in a buffer that the system's actually pushing it down south. I know that the fracking did a huge amount of damage to the Earth. It caused a ability for the Earth to release energy through the fracking zones because of the quartzite that they put in there. And that quartzite allows the Earth to eliminate its energy through those points. The question is the Earth becoming so polarized with energy that it's releasing energy everywhere because of the heat? And if it's true, now mind you, if I'm right on this, that means that the oceans are going to heat up 3 times over this year, which means that in 1 year, we'll see 5 times the amount of heating in the ocean. Not because of the air, but because the Earth's getting hotter. Because as we're being pulled by the sun and the planets are coming behind it, the things that we go through have to be released by us, and the more sine wave that we repress from the Earth, the more it needs to release that energy. And because of the way that we use our phones and our devices, we cloak the sine wave of the Earth, keeping it in. On top of it, we've done a major change to the Earth. So with all these changes that are going on in this next year, if this is true, we shall see some major disasters in 2019, and water will become more fluffy because it'll be more excited, and excited water becomes fluffier. But if the bubble becomes too big, will it burst, or will the Earth get bigger to match the bubble? And if it does get bigger, doesn't it have to get hotter? It's a good question. These are good questions. We should always pray to God. Whatever you believe in, whoever you believe in, however you believe in it. Love God.